Let's face it, pry bars are heavy, awkward, and they don't play nice with traditional tool organizers. That's where Olsa's Magnetic Pry Bar Holders step in. These use professional-grade, rare earth magnets, the kind that actually keep your tools in place, not just pretend to. The rubber backing? That's to protect your painted surfaces, your tool carts, your walls, because not every magnet has to leave a mark. Need something more permanent? No problem. They come with pre-drilled holes so you can screw mount them right into your setup. And the top ledges? Perfect for those bulky handled tools that never seem to sit still. Plus, and this is underrated, they come in 4 slick colors: black, blue, green, and red. So yeah, your shop can look sharp and stay organized. So, if gravity's winning the battle against your pry bars, maybe it's time to fight back. With magnets, ledges, and a little bit of style. Because a tidy shop isn't just about looking good. It's about working smarter. You're watching Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears, where real tools meet real talk. Keep it cool and greasy.